It is Crystal with Pineapple Papers, and I have a design team project for the scrap room. And so I'm playing along with the sketch, and I am using the plan on it from Echo Park. And it's got a ton of fun planny stuff. And I'm not going to lie, I might be taking all of these stickers. I do have my new 2026 planner. Yes, I still use a paper planner. I love it. And I think that I might go ahead and take the stickers from this collection and maybe even some of the paper and actually decorate some of my planner. I have done that in the past, but probably the past 2 years I haven't. They've been pretty boring, but I've got this pretty stuff, so I might as well use it, right? So I think that's going to kind of be my plan for any leftovers. So we'll see if I get that done in January, and I can kind of show you at the end like in my leftovers. So I'm really trying to decide how I want to do this. And I am documenting a picture of a pretzel. So it's not anything that's like, yes, this has to happen forever. Like this is the thing, right? So I love this ledger paper, and I love this cute thing that says just a girl with big plans and a bunch of flowers and a typewriter. Like, I love this paper. And the back has a great yellow on it. So I'm like, okay, I really want this paper to be kind of that big pattern paper block that you see. I'm just not sure exactly where to put it, because as you can see, the big piece is in the upper right-hand corner. Well, in order to make this work, I'm going to trim it down so it is in the bottom left-hand corner. So I'm kind of like turning or flip. It's not really flipping the sketch. I'm just kind of turning the sketch, I would say. So I go ahead, I get my big piece. That's going to be that big piece of paper up there. Mine goes most of the way through, and I do have a little bit of a border. I am using the whatchamacallit, the cardstock. I don't know why that word wasn't working for me today. I'm using the cardstock, and so I have a little bit of border, and then I cut a piece of that yellow off, and I'm going to use that for that strip that you see at the bottom. And then I need the banner. So I am going to opt for this blue stripe, and I'm not going to do a skinny banner. I'm going to do a big banner. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that, and then I will make my banner at the bottom, and that will sit all the way up to the top and come all the way down. So I do believe you can still see the sketch, but I am definitely tweaking it a little bit. So here's my photo. It calls for 2. I'm just using the 1, and I need to back it with something. And I'm like, what exactly do I want to back it with? I thought maybe the pink paper, but you know, it's Christmas time and we're wrapping presents, and I have all this tissue paper hanging out, and I was like, I'm going to soften it up. And the tissue paper is kind of like the paper that I'm holding my pretzel in, right? So this was our last day in New York, and I had yet to get a pretzel, and we did not have breakfast, and we are walking everywhere, and I'm like, I need a pretzel. And my husband's like, okay. I'm like, okay, no, like right now. I wasn't hangry, but I needed me a pretzel. And I already took a bite out of it before I even I was like, oh, I have to take a picture of my pretzel. And so yeah, there's already a bite out of it. So we thoroughly enjoyed our pretzel. There's not too many soft pretzels that I don't like, but I am definitely a big fan. So I get that down. And then I'm going through the sticker sheets that came in my flavors of the month, and I find a pink border. So I do feel like I need some pink up there to go with the typewriter. So I'm going to run that down the side. And then from my stash, I decided to go with this acrylic piece that says the best part. Do I think this is the best part of the trip? No, but at right that moment of our trip, yes, I enjoyed it very much. So it was the best part right that second. So I have this sticker that's some notes and to-do list. I think maybe I can fit my journaling on there. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. And then I add a little paper clip. I'm also going to add a word sticker that says got it, because I was very happy to get my pretzel. And then I'm going to do a couple of florals up on top of the title and do a little bit of a cluster up there. I did like this circle piece that says to do, because this was definitely something that I wanted to make sure that I did while we were in New York, was get a pretzel. So yeah, so that's going to be up there. I did add a little label sticker underneath. I might stamp the date in there. And then there's also like another paper clip, but it's a heart. I'm going to put that on top of my photo as well. I do have a couple of acrylic flowers that are from my stash, and I'm going to put one of those in each of the clusters. And I am including the big floral typewriter on the bottom as a cluster, even though as of right now it is just the paper, but it's coming. It's going to get a flower. And then from my kit, I got 2 yellow brads and a floral brad. And so I'm going to put one of those up at the top next to that to do. And then the other 2 are going to go down there in the bottom by the typewriter and that acrylic floral. And so I'm just going to punch those through. I have a little kind of pokey tool that I use that's super old, but I'll do that off screen. And everything is stuck down, and there is a final look at my layout. So I will have all the information for the ScrapRoom link down below so you can get your hands on these kits, and check out the Facebook group and play along with the sketch. We love to see what you are doing, and I love to see everybody's different takes and what they take from there. So there is a final look at my layout. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and remember to wear your crown. We'll see you next time. Bye.